Good morning. I'm Al Boulogne, Senior Vice President of Product and Marketing. Excited for another Surfaces 2026. We have so much great product to show you. I'm going to start off by telling you a little bit about our new ADURA Apex launches. We've got some of the best product we've ever had, starting with Antiquity. These long and wide planks, 8x72, feature one of our best ever embossed registrations, our true detail, and of course our crafted edge on the product. We'll give you all the style and design details a little later on, but it's a beautiful product. Next up is Lineage. This is one of my personal favorite ones that we've been working on for several years. It's really a first of a kind product. Come on over here and I'll show you what this means. We've got 3 different species all in one product: oak, maple, and hickory. 3 different print designs, each with its own texture, again featuring crafted edge, true detail because of the 3 different patterns, and it's featured in 4 colors. It's a wonderful product and can't wait for you to get to see it up close. Finally, we'll bring you over here to Lux. This is a new tile introduction for ADURA Apex. We have 12 by 24 tiles in 2 different colors, which is unique in and of itself. Mannington is so good at doing tile visuals. It's a core part of what we're good at. It's got our nature form glaze on the top, a painted bevel, and what we call tumbled edge on the side. Again, 2 great colors that look wonderful by themselves. But what really sets this one apart is that we're also launching it in hexagons. For the first time ever, we've created a patented technology where you put these tiles up against each other, and as soon as you glue them down, they're self-spacing. You don't have to put spacers in this. It makes the installation so much easier. Then you simply grout them with our acrylic grout that we've used for years in ADURA, and you get these wonderful visuals. Again, 2 colors in this collection: Lux in the 12 by 24 and the hexagons, and then we added a 3rd hexagon in an existing pattern inside of ADURA Apex today, so that you have 3 great colors. At the core of Mannington's LVT business is our ADURA selling solution. All the products inside of ADURA are available in 3 different constructions. First, our glue down flexible product, then we have ADURA Rigid, that SBC product, and we have ADURA Max. 3 constructions, all in the same display. Every visual is available. So we've got 2 new introductions for that core of our business, the ADURA selling solution. First is a 3rd great tile year for us in a row. This is called Lagos. We had great products the last couple years, one called Basilica, one called Fresco. This is Lagos, a stone visual with nature form glaze, a tumbled edge, and a painted bevel to create the most realistic tile that we have ever put out in the market. You almost have to be here to touch it and feel it, but we'll get a good visual of it as well. Next up on the ADURA selling solution, wouldn't be ADURA selling solution without some wonderful looking wood planks. This was the #1 vote getter when we talked to customers throughout all the product we have here. This noble oak offers some new warm colors that our design team will walk you through a little later on, but it's available in 4 colors, and we continue to play on that crafted edge technology, creating this really rustic charm. And it ties in nicely with this 110-year anniversary of Mannington, the heritage of noble oak, a beautiful visual with warm colors. Great product for anybody's home. This could not be a more exciting introduction for Mannington. For the first time ever, we're really excited to introduce ADURA Pro. ADURA Pro is 2 constructions for a single price point. We have a rigid product inside of ADURA Pro, and we also have a loose lay for the first time ever as part of this feature. So we have all the great stories featured here at Surfaces. You'll hear about those later. 12 really nice SKUs featured in both constructions. So we're showing all 12 of those off here, and we'll take you through the style and design notes a little later on. That's ADURA Pro.